humans. We are all humans, the species that practically rules this world and at the same time is close to ruining it. Sometimes, as the dominant species, we forget that we're just another being on Earth, just like this squirrel and this oak tree and this little sugar glider, and that they are just as important to this world as we are. Now first, I want you to take a moment and close your eyes and imagine you are walking through a beautiful forest. Look around at the majestic scene that surrounds you, the complex and fascinating beauties of our world. What if I told you that if you had gone to this same place before human civilization, that there would be twice as many trees, and it would likely function completely differently? Plant and animal life is no exception. As humans, we have caused 1/4 of the world's bird species to go extinct, and as high as 18% of all fish, bird, mammal, and plant species to be threatened by extinction. In fact, estimates show that rates of extinction have increased by as high as 100 to 1,000% since humans became the dominant species. Now go back to that forest. Imagine how much bigger it could have been before humans took over. Humans use 15% of Earth's land as agricultural and industrial sites, and 7% goes to pasture land, rather than letting that beautiful forest prosper. All of those lands are completely dominated and shaped by humans. And even the land we have not built upon has completely been altered by us. We have spread invasive species into places they are not native and have completely changed the way that ecosystems function because of that. That is not all, though. Humans add as much fixed nitrogen into the atmosphere as all natural sources combined, and have emitted unheard of amounts of carbon dioxide into our atmosphere. Humans have even had drastic impact. Humans have even had drastic impact on the part of the earth that is perhaps the most mysterious and unknown to them, the ocean. Marine fisheries discard up to 27 million tons of sea life annually, which is 1/3 of all the fish they catch. And along with that, they kill millions of others, most of which are predators. And I know some of you might like the idea of the little fish of prey prevailing, but killing the predators causes an imbalance in the systems and can completely create an unhealthy environment for that little fish. All of those things have altered Earth's ecosystems much more drastically than what is healthy for our worlds. We have affected and completely changed the chemistry of not only our land, but of our atmosphere and ocean, which shows how little we really do value our planet. Now, if you go back to your forest, imagine how different it would be if humans had never changed it. What would it be like? And what will happen to it if we keep treating it the way we do? This forest is a representation of how it is our job to create a lifestyle where we do honor and protect our earth, for not only the future of ourselves, but for the future of all living things. We need to shape a world where the billions of other species on our earth are recognized and protected, and where no amount of profit will keep us from protecting our only home. My question for you is, what will you do to help this? What will you do to create this new way of living for not only individuals, but for humans as a whole? What will you do to make sure that no amount of human greed and selfishness will get in the way of protecting our earth? I often wonder how long it will take for people to realize that no amount of money is worth as much as keeping our only home healthy. And I realize that the answer of that question is up to you. Yeah, all of you. And if you sit around and wait for something to happen, then nothing will happen, and you'll just keep sitting and waiting. But if you get out and do something and stand up for this, then maybe, just maybe, something will happen, and we might be able to escape the hole that we have dragged ourselves and our entire world into. But we need to do something now, because there's only so long before that hole is inescapable. Thank you.